Hello, my name is Damir. I'm a native of Croatia with Croatian, naturally, being my native language. But as you can see from this video, I'm also a fluent English speaker in possession of a TEFL teaching certificate. I've got years of experience in tutoring students in English, whether as a preparation for tests and exams, or merely for the purpose of improvement of their English language skills. Recently, for the past few years really, I have been giving classes online as well. I can help you with grammar, general or specialized vocabulary, pronunciation, general or specialized conversation, and writing. Either way, if you decide you want me as your teacher, it will be my pleasure to assist you in improvement of your command of English language.